What up, what up, what up? What's up, what's up? Yeah, this is Vontae. You know who it is. I found a girl in school. I'm in love with her too. I never thought I'd seen a pretty Puerto Rican. This Puerto Rican talks to me. She smiled at me too. Man, she makes me feel beautiful. I'm just playing. She's beautiful. I just love her. She make my heart feel beautiful. I mean, I feel love again, man. That's beautiful. Love is beautiful. I never knew I would find my heart again. I thought my life was gone. My heart was gone. My ex did me wrong. But this Puerto Rican, man, she got my life back on. Every time I look at she make my smile go to a big smile, make me have a beautiful smile, man. I feel like a kid, but back then when dad was alive, man, a kid, man. Every time I see her, she makes my life goes good. I say, dang, I wish I could put a ring on her hand and marry her, dang, but I can't. She's too young for me, man. But she's the one that keeps my life going. She's the one who keeps my love and life flowing. Dang, I never knew a Puerto Rican girl could keep your life flowing. I never knew she give me so much faith. Never knew she could give me love to this day. Dang, I never knew I was gonna feel love again. I thought I would never be in love again. But now I'm not afraid to feel love again. Now I feel like I want it again. I want it more. I want it real more. I just wish she was my age so I can marry her so. I don't look at her smile. I just look at her smile. I don't look at her face or body. No, I look at the smile. The smile is beautiful. That means a good person going around. When you have a good smile and with a good attitude with your smile, then I know you're a good person. You don't ain't lying to yourself. You're not lying to me. I can see it in you. It's like God, you tell me look in your eyes. When I look in your eyes, I see an angel in your eyes. Oh my God, I wish I could marry that angel. Can a beast love an angel? It's true, sometimes you can. A demon can love an angel. They can represent, man. An evil demon can turn good. Have you ever heard that, baby? Turn good? Yeah, I am a demon sometimes. Really, I'm a demon all the time. It looks weird. You should see me. I got a horn and a halo on my head. Can you see me? Oh, but I never knew I'd feel love again. That Puerto Rican girl is the one who makes my life flow and love go again. She makes me feel alive again. Feel alive again. Feel alive again. I can smile. I just wish I could marry her, but she's too young for me. She's too young. I want to love her. I want to marry her. I want to hug her, but dang, she's too young for me. She's just too young for me. I just can't go with a young person. Sometimes it's true, age is just a number, but you know, I tried that once, it didn't go good. Got beat with a frying pan. But that's okay. I didn't give up though. Look for love one day, but I gave up. I thought this year I'd given up. But I guess I haven't. I guess I did given up. This Puerto Rican made me look, made me don't give up. She make my life look, man. She sits on my table. She know who she is. I'm for real to this day. Oh my God, I can't stop getting out of my brain. She's like a memory chip in my brain. Won't stop. I'll fight for her too. If anybody hurt her, I will kill you. I'm sorry, I will kill you all. I'm sorry if you ever did her wrong, kill you all. I don't care if I go to jail. I'm just in love with her. I can't stop getting her out my brain still. She made me feel alive. Made me feel alive. Smile one more time. I will smile one more time. I just so happy. I never felt this happy. I never felt this happy before. Dang. I guess I can say that I met my love to this day. Oh, feel love again. I hope I find her older one day. I just wish she was my age, cause I will marry her, put a ring on her. Honor, love and honor. That's what my heart says. Love and honor. This is just love, just love, but love and honor. My love is tainted. My, my love is not easy to be painted. Deuces.